Hello guys, this is Review and Memory Booster Unit 12, and the first part of course is the grammar. It is second conditional, so let's check your answers. If it was hotter, we would go to the beach. The grass would be much greener if it rained. We wouldn't need air conditioning if we moved to a colder climate. They wouldn't need my cooking if they didn't like it. Let's remember that in second conditional, the conditioned part with the if needs to be simple past, and the possible result part goes with would and base form. Alright? And of course, also let's remember that you can change the places. First, in this one, we have the conditioned, comma, and then the possible result. But you can change them. So you can put here first the result, but the possible result, and then the conditioned. Okay? Thank you. Now let's check number 2. Well, number 2 is individual. Number 2, you need to check it. Like, we are going to check it, sorry, in the class. Let's check number 3. Well, someone told me there is a snake somewhere in the grass, so be careful. Has anyone seen Michelle? I can't find her anywhere. Remember, here we need any. It's a question, general question, so we need any. 3. Everyone is hungry. Is there anything in the fridge? I left a message, but nobody called me back. Is everybody on vacation? 5. I'd, I'd like something special to eat, but nothing on the menu looks very interesting. Okay, so here we have these answers. Well, this is about the lesson that we checked. And here you have some possible answers. The photographer thinks everyone lives near nature. And number 2, he took pictures of everything living inside the green metal cube. Alright, now says, I can't use a second conditional, yes, and I can use words starting with any, every, no, and some. Yes, you can do it. Now here, vocabulary. Look at the photos from each unit. Alright, here we have some example answers. Photo A, what time of day it is? Afternoon. And what's the weather like? Well, we have here, there is a flood. And photo B, night. And what's the weather like? The extreme weather here is, well, lightning. We can see lightning here. Alright, now here, comparing places. Okay, so a river and an ocean both have water, of course, but an ocean has more water and the water is salty. 2. A field and a forest both have a lot of nature, but a forest has trees, while a field has crops or farm animals. An ocean and a desert are both very big, but a desert is dry, while an ocean is all water. Okay? These are just some example of answers you could have written. Okay, so now I can't talk about the weather. Yes, and talk about places in nature. Yes. Okay, now real life. This is about this discussion to find a solution, right? So number 1, how about opening a new zoo? How about opening? Remember, after about, we need ing. 2. Why don't we ask for help? 3. If we don't advertise, we won't sell any products. Or, we won't sell any products if we don't advertise. 4. The problem is that many people don't recycle plastic. 5. I'm sorry, but that won't work. 6. That's a good idea. Okay, so those are the answers. And we finish. Alright, thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in class.